Hello guys, this is Research Analysis Ryan, and today I would like to tell you about the farm training. It's a knowledge which is definitely helpful, and in your mind you will be having some kind of imagination how it could be. It is a 1 month long excursion period, which is really like a rustic old farmhouse, and you can't think of being comfortable like the modern apartments in the modern building. If you first you're gonna go to Castle Notary after Oban, and in Castle Notary you're gonna spend 1 week, and in this 1 week you will be having a very comfortable time because in the farm training you will be having a very discomfort time. I mean, forget about hot shower, forget about good food, forget about your tranquility and relaxation because this farmhouse is so rusty and um, it needs a lot of maintenance all the time. You have to work every time in there. Some of the other things you have to fix it all the time. If you are damaged or you get hurted, still you have to go to the plantation area. You have to go to the plantation area and start cutting the trees and start preparing all the gardens and everything. The lodgings are pretty too much. There are so many people in one quarters. The place where I was in, I never had any locker in there. They just gave me a piece of metal thing in which we have to put our t-shirts, in a very nice molded way. So yeah, putting the t-shirts and some kind of things, and we never had any kind of locker to put our money or anything. So it could be stolen easily. Every day you have to get up at 5 o'clock, and the light gets up, and there's a roll call. They give you a roll call just to know whether anyone is deserted or not. They ask you to get in a queue and start calling yourself. That's called roll call, and this happens thrice a day, just to be sure whether someone has run away in the night or not. Because in the farm training, because of such a discomfort time and a lot of fear of pressures of corporals and the punishments and the bad time, because in documentary it's been shown too much, it's nothing like this. Of course it's a hard training, but in any military the training is like that. French Foreign Legion is not bad at all. In fact, French Foreign Legion is, there are some corporals who really understand your problems and they're going to help you. Although there are some trainings which is bit extreme, but definitely surgeon's going to talk to you. If you have any problem, they're going to motivate you as well. If you ask to go to civil, they're going to make you understand that this is just a training process. Don't take it so seriously and don't take it personally. It's just a military training. We all had been going through this, so it's not a big problem. The breakfast is always a baguette, a famous French baguette called le pain, and the coffee, with Nutella, honey, butter sometimes. And you have to, again, all the time in the morning, you have to clean the quarters, windows, quarters, many areas of it. It's a big house after all. After the general cleaning, everyone assembles in the flag ceremony. This ceremony happens every day. Two candidates are selected for the flag session. One gonna ascend the flag and the other gonna salute. This happened with me too, and everyone has to go through this. French flag, it's a custom, it's a tradition. No matter if it rains, it's not a matter. You have to go to the flag ceremony every day. And after the flag ceremony, you'll have to go often to the jogging or the running, lengthy run. It can be 10 to 12 kilometers. And sometimes most of the time after running, they will give you a quick shower. Normally they don't let you shower in the morning, but the day when you run, that day they let you take a shower. Afternoon there's a lunch session, which is Corporal de Jour helps to prepare the meal. He appoints few candidates to help. So some recruits are pretty happy to work in the kitchen. They get a lot of food and they eat a lot. So I used to work in the kitchen as well, and it was a very awesome time. You get to eat what you want. In the evening there is a soup. It's also called like supper. In the evening time it's a study time. It's an indoor activity. You have to learn songs. If you couldn't learn songs, they will punish you outside. But most of the time it's indoor activity. Anyone is sleeping in the class, they're gonna be punished. And you have to be really focused in the class because corporal, chef, surgeon, everyone is looking in your eyes. The guys who are sleeping, they're gonna throw the chalk or duster on you. Lights out is usually 10:30, and most of the nights you will be doing the guard duty. As you have seen in my previous video, which I have been explaining about the guard duty. This guard duty is couple of hours in the night. It can exceed, because if you're punished, it can be exceeded more than 2 hours. Usually it is 1 hour, but if it is in the middle of the night, you get disturbed. And the night when you are doing the guard duty, you will have to wear your attire and sleep. You will have to wear your combat uniform and sleep. Except the breakfast, each time you go for the meal, you have to sing a song, La Bouddha. That is the tradition and history of French Foreign Legion. The NCO officers and surgeons will be having a separate room to eat, and the new recruited candidates, you will have to set the table for your seniors, and if anything is wrong in setting of the table, you're gonna be punished. You have to serve the cadre in a very professional manner. You will have to take the permission each time you enter into the door, and you will have to be really professional in front of them. Your training will include wide range of activities like maneuvering, weapons, basic training, French lessons, French songs, tactics, first aid, camouflage, rank structure, and Legion history and tradition. And these are the things which is being taught in this 1 month, and you are prepared for the Kepi March. They will also give you training in the forest. You will have to sleep in the night, completely cold. You will be taught to make your camp, and there will be a training in the night in which you will have to remove your tent 3 times and shift in the forest 3 to 4 times, maybe 5 times. And sometimes just like in the middle of the night at like 3, they will make you start running, like pack up your camp and get ready in 2 minutes. Imagine you're sleeping and then you're getting ready in just 2 minutes, removing the tents, wearing your headlights. It's my advice to be better to be prepared before. Learn some songs, get some French lessons, learn the tactic studies, learn to maneuver weapons, these kind of things. Learn to be fast, learn to take orders, the most important thing. I'll be giving you more and more knowledge on this channel. Do subscribe this channel. Thank you. Bye bye.